Module 21, the Tosa and Kano Schools. I, Dr. Rita Pratap, former head of the Department, Drawing and Painting, University of Rajasthan, Jaipur. The Tosa School was a hereditary school of painters whose members had enjoyed the patronage of both Ashi Shogunate and imperial family. The Tosa painters were considered the leading practitioners of Yamato, literally pictures of Japan. Tosa Mitsuoki were famous painters of Tosa school. Kano painters, famed in their day for monochrome painting, worked in the new decorative style. Kano Tanyu, Naganobu, Kano Itoku were the famous painters of this school. Sansetsu's son, Ieno, wrote the first history of Japanese painting, Honcho Gashi. The Tosa School. The Tosa School was a hereditary school of painters whose members had enjoyed the patronage of both Ashikaga Shogunate and the imperial family. They were more closely identified with the latter. However, since their pictorial idioms had originated among Heian period artists who were employed in the imperial painting atelier, Tosa painters were considered the leading practitioners of Yamato, literally pictures of Japan. Yamato being the name of the ancient center of Japan culture, characterized by Japanese figural and landscape themes painted in a highly stylized manner using mineral pigments and gold. The Tosa was specially noted for the illustrations of the tale of Genji and other courtly classics in the intimate hand scroll and album formats. The Edo branch of Tosa school, whose members adopted the name Sumiyoshi after a line of painters that had served the imperial family in the Kamakura period, continued to paint works in this traditional idiom. Since Chinese themes and styles buttressed Tokugawa ideology, the courtly aesthetic of the Tosa and Sumiyoshi artists were generally deemed more appropriate for the decor of the private chambers occupied by women and children, and for the albums and scrolls that were often included in wedding dowries. The Tosa place in history was established by Mitsunobu, 1522, who had received the imperial appointment of Edo Kora Azukari, the head of the office of painting, and at the same time was in the official employ of the Bakufu. Tosa artists served their apprenticeship working on narrative scrolls, and Mitsunobu gained considerable reputation for small hand scrolls known as koe, which were in demand among the less affluent aristocracy of the capital and novice riches of the Kanto region. Fairy tales, local lore, temple legends, old classics such as the tale of Genji and others were illustrated in an almost miniaturist manner. Tosa art was a major channel for the transmission of subjects and styles in a conventional, portable form, which, though it tended to be repetitive and banal, formed a significant link with the later popular art. When Tosa artists entered the field of Kano ink painting technique and colored landscape style and began playing the game according to Kano rules, they were in a different league. Temporary efforts to settle where business prospects appeared to be brighter led to the developing cities, and Tosa Mitsuyoshi, active from 1539 to 1613, perhaps a younger brother of Mitsunobu, moved to Sakai, south of Osaka, letting the Kyoto workshop languish. In 1634, Mitsunori with his son Mitsuoki returned to Kyoto as the merchants did not have interest in historical subjects. Mitsuyoki was also appointed to the position of Idokoro Azukari in 1654 and ranked as Hogeri in 1685. Within 2 generations, a new branch was formed in Sumiyoshi, north of Sakai. The Bakufu appointed another Tosa as the official painter, and a branch was organized in Edo. An example of the work of Tosa school is a landscape with sun and moon, painted by anonymous painter. It is a double six-fold screen, ink and colors and gold on paper, and dated to 16th century. Here, the 4 seasons are worked into a unified screen format, with the winter scene appearing third in the sequence. On the right, a full noon sun, golden over tall, round mountains, bright with spring blooms, is the standard opening. The second group of mountains is shown in summer. At their feet, the waves are turbulent. In the third section, the snow-covered folds of hills are contoured to balance the misty autumnal mountains further left. The layering of mountains in a frontal manner is an old Yamato device. The Tosa school, which formerly supplied richly illustrated scrolls to the court at Kyoto, had sunk in prestige as the fortunes of the nobility who patronized it declined. By the 16th century, the power of great Momoyama decorators and the sheer number of Kano painters had overwhelmed it. The position of painter-in-chief to the emperor was given to a member of the Kano family, and Tosa Mitsuyoshi was reduced to provide sketches for the Kano painters to use in their screen paintings. Tosa Mitsunori, active from 1583 to 1638, gallantly upheld the ancient tradition with his illuminated scrolls, of which the Genji scroll illustration from the Tale of Genji. This is his best work, but the style had long gone out of fashion, even at court. This scroll adopts an aerial perspective and figuratively removing the roof. The artist has enabled the viewer to see directly into the box-like room where 4 court ladies are engaged in reading and writing. This album is painted in an exciting ink outline technique called hakubu, white drawing against a gold background. It took a painter of the ability of his son Mitsuyoki to restore the Tosa family to its old position as painters to the throne. This title was given to Mitsuyoki when he moved from Osaka to Kyoto in 1634. He was strongly influenced by the prevailing fashion of Chinese ink painting. He was also the first official painter to follow the Chinese custom of signing his work. Mitsuyoki is best known for his screen of quails and millet, a subject taken straight from the repertory of the Southern Song Academy. His style is a curious mixture of the Chinese manner of the Kano painters and the decorative simplification of the tradition Yamato. Tosa artists who remained in Kyoto after 1683, when the shogunate appointed members of its Sumiyoshi branch as its official painters, were primarily influential as antiquarians, connoisseurs, and teachers. Tosa Mitsusuke, for instance, taught Nishikawa Sokinobu, a painter and book illustrator noted for his portrayals of Kyoto beauties. Tosa themes and styles, however, provided the inspiration for other, more creative Kyoto artists who designed works to the taste of city, increasing affluent and often highly discriminating bourgeois. The Kano school, it lasted from 1602 to 1674. Kano school. The Kano painters, who had never been monks, had been in the service of the shogun for several generations, and by the Edo period were creating the official style for the Tokugawa shogunate. The Kano painter, famed their day for monochrome painting, worked in the new decorative style. Kano Tanyo, perhaps the most famous name in monochrome painting of the 17th century, are for the most part in the new color and gold medium. He was appointed as a painter in residence to the Tokugawa shogun in 1621, and the subsequent division of the Kano and Tosa schools into two branches, one in Kyoto and the other in Edo, set the stage for the cultural dynamics that would characterize relations between the two cities throughout the Edo period. The physical separation also reinforced and institutionalized the long-standing creative tension between Chinese and Japanese aesthetic values. He worked in both Edo and Kyoto and produced painting for the imperial palace and for the shogun's castle in Nagoya. The green and gold pines in Nijo Castle in Kyoto are generally thought to be his work. In 1636, he painted legends of the Toshogu shrine at Nikko, handling the delicate Tosa handscroll with ease. Tanyo helped reinvigorate the court-flavored Tosa tradition, which was then on the point of dissolution from the half-millennium recycling of the same motifs. Tanyo's insatiable interest in all manners of painting, whether Chinese or Japanese, resulted in the first collection of art. Historical records of works he had seen. Scroll after scroll contains concise notes and reduced sketches, shukuzu, which not only reproduced general outlines but also accurately reflect the original brushwork. This tradition of recording works was continued by Tanyo's followers, and Kano's shukuzu are an invaluable resource for art historians today. In the mural Night Fishing with Cormorants, Tanyo casts a keen and sympathetic eye over his contemporary world. It is night and the scene is lit by torches from boats forming a semicircle in the bay. A rich merchant, top left, sits enjoying the lively scene of the rippling water, diving cormorants and busy fishermen, while an elder regales him from the stories. The interest in this scene is the diverse poses of this activity. The surrounding rocks and reeds are sketched economically in gentle hues, in contrast to Tanyo's usually more formal style. He was the director of a large atelier, and many of his designs were executed, at least in part, by other artists working to his specifications. In addition to fulfilling a huge number of painter commissions, he also served his patrons as a connoisseur of earlier ink painting. He and his successors' sketch records of old works are invaluable visual sources for the history of Japanese art. The Kano was a hereditary line of artists who rose to prominence in the 15th century with the patronage of Ashigawa shoguns and provincial warlords. They achieved this through their skillful adaptation of Chinese landscape, birds and flowers, and figural themes and ink painting styles to the requirements of interior decoration, principally sliding and folding screens. In the late 16th century, Japanese historians have minutely chronicled the history of Kano school, recording that in the 17th century, the leadership in Edo fell to the Kobiki Street branch, headed by Tanyu's nephew Tsuno Nobu, instead of remaining with the mainstream in another part of the city. But this is of little consequence for the history of Japanese painting. Tsuno Nobu painting landscape of the four seasons from a 6-panel folding screen belonging to 17th century and at present in the collection of Museum of Fine Arts, Boston, shows his astonishing skill with the brush, but his successors in the 18th and 19th centuries had nothing new to offer. Another significant Kano painter of the 17th century was Itoku's younger brother, Naga Nobu, who was active from 1577 to 1654. His importance lies in the fact that in a few of his works, most notably in the screens in the Hara collection that depict dancing in the Cherry Blossom Festival, it is a 6-panel folding screen dated to 17th century and at present in the Kanagawa, Japan. In this screen, Itoku further developed the Kano style in keeping with the growing taste of opulence and monumentality, securing commissions for both Nobunaga and Hideyoshi's castles. Itoku thus laid the foundation for the use of art as an adjunct to rulership. This legacy is evident in his grandson Tanyu's decorative program for main audience hall of Ninomaru Palace, as well as in the work of Kano Sensetsu. The old plum tree is a 4-panel fusma, ink and colors on gold paper, and at present in the Metropolitan Museum of Art, New York. The painting fusma was once in the abbot quarters of Tenshon, a sub-temple of Myoshinji in Kyoto. The massive guarded plum tree and multi-faced rocks painted in rigorous brushstrokes against a solid gold foil ground reflect Itoku's influence. The willful geometric distortion of form, however, is the hallmark of Sansetsu's personal style. Naga Nobu brings together with great success the discipline and precision of Kano drawing and the movement and color of the new popular art. Kano painters who remained in Kyoto continued to receive some local commissions, but over the course of Edo period, they faced growing competition from other local artists, creating more innovative styles that were not associated with shogunate. As a result, many artists turned to writing and teaching. The first history of Japanese painting, Honchogashi, was written by Sansetsu's son, Ino, who was active from 1631 to 1697. And many of the city leading amateur and professional painters, including Ogata Koren and Maruyama Okayo, received their formative training in Kyoto Kano Studios. These Kano Studios were also the training ground for a large number of talented artists, collectively known as Machi Kano, Town Kano, whose unsigned works often focused on the kind of contemporary genre themes, especially dancers and courtesans that later became popular in paintings and prints in Edo. Many of the artistic linkages that flourished during the Edo period got their start under the patronage of feudal lords of the Momoyama era. Few were as influential or as long-lived as the Kano school of painters. Kano Itoku, who was active from 1543 to 1590, as his name implies, he was in the main line of Kano School, a grandson and pupil of Motonobu, with whom much of the impetus towards decoration had originated. But in the painting attributed to Itoku on the two sliding panels from Juko in sub-temple of Daitokuji, Kyoto, the ostensibly monochrome Kano style of representation of the blossoming tree, the birds and the bamboo has been further evolved as a decorative style with greater complexity of compositions, fewer areas of open space left untouched by the brush, and a faint gold wash applied to the background. An example is of a plum tree by water. It is one pair of sliding screen, ink and slight color washes on paper. At present, Juko in Daitokuji, Kyoto, Japan, belong to Momoyama period. Itoku was the fourth generation of the Kano school. As a young pupil of Motonobu, he painted in the restrained Chinese manner, who developed a style of brush painting that was not only on a monumental scale but showed a new kind of composition and framing of the image. He was commissioned to paint a large number of works to decorate the new Ashushi castle, Oda Nobunaga, and later the castle of his ruling successors, Toyotomi Hideyoshi at Osaka. These castles were destroyed in military struggles. A beautiful example of his early work being the sliding doors decorated with cranes and pine trees that he executed for the Juko Inn and Daitokuji Inn in Kyoto. Crane from sliding doors and landscape with flowers and birch trees. He was already famous at the age of 24 when he met Nobunaga, who commissioned him to decorate the new castle at Azuchi. It took 4 years to complete. He, for the first time, employed gold leaf for large areas of the ground and clouds. It also fulfilled the practical purpose for reflecting light, so illuminating the dark inner reaches of the huge audience hall. Itoku also decorated Hideyoshi's palace at Jura-Kutai and his castle at Osaka, tassels that he accomplished with the aid of his brothers. Shosho and Naganobu, his sons Mitsunobu and Takanobu, and his adopted son Sanraku. The famous cypress tree is an 8-panel screen in Tokyo National Museum, shows an extraordinary picture of just the middle section of an aged tree, painted with bold brush strokes on background of gold leaf clouds. The composition is startling, especially for one used to seeing European paintings with the tree depicted properly in context, the earth below and sky above. But Itoku's genius has created an effect which is extraordinarily powerful, and by cutting off the top and bottom sections of the tree. Other Kano painters who worked in a finer, more intricate manner was Mitsunobu. His son and his adopted son, Kano Sanraku, were the major figures in adapting the style to the less rowdy temple atmosphere. Sanraku is known through attractive screens at Zen Daitokuji and Myoshinji, and at the Shingon Daigoji to the southeast of Kyoto. His birds and flowers are precisely composed in spaceless radiant backgrounds. The detail is more concentrated with flat overlaps of plant life. Another example of this expressive style is seen in a screen in the Honolulu Academy of Arts, USA. The 6-panel screen shows the midsection of an old pine tree with branches and clumps of green needles floating like clouds over dead bricks. Huge rocks painted with strong brushstrokes balance composition on the right hand side, and a flower cherry tree and red azalea add points of color. Small grasses and dwarf sasa bamboo complete the picture. The trunk itself is spread over two panels and its edge is enhanced with white patches of lichens that echo the delicate petals of cherry blossoms. The background is of pure gold leaf, and it is not difficult to imagine the effect that such a painting would have had in the dark rooms of Momoyama Castle when seen by candlelight at night or in daylight softened and diffused through paper shoji screens. By the end of the period when shogunate was contemplating the move to Edo under the Tokugawa, Kano masters could see a future in commissions there and set up a workshop headed by Kano Tanyu.